Hi, it's Larry Feldman, President of Career Changers USA. Let's talk a little neuroscience on how to motivate and get yourself really rocking and rolling. Dwight Eisenhower, great president, great general, said, motivation is the art of getting people to do what you want them to do because they want to do it. I'm not going to get too complicated here, but let's try to understand a little bit of what pushes us as humans, what gets our brains moving. You've all heard probably of dopamine, which is these things that blow up in your brain and make you feel good. They make you excited. We obviously chase dopamine every chance we can and get ourselves as excited as possible. But there's also cortisol, which is a stress inducer. Sometimes that might be more important than the dopamine, because feeling good feels good, obviously, but sometimes a stressor that we push can give us a sense of urgency, because I think we'll all agree complacency is not helpful in sales or really any aspect of life. If we can combine dopamine with the carrot and stick to ourselves of, I know if I do this and I earn this paycheck, I sell this vehicle, I do something that's going to make me feel good, I'll literally feel good, and combine it with, but if I put some pressure on myself, healthy pressure, stress, deadlines, this is what I want to accomplish, this is how I want to do it, we might really go, right? For every yin, there's a yang. If all we want to do is feel good and we don't want to do anything that's ever going to stress us out, how are we going to accomplish anything? And if your whole life is nothing but stress, man, I pity you. Because we all know those people that just seem like everything's constantly the end of the world. But if we can find a nice balance between things that make us feel great, speaking in terms of neurology, or things that push us to have a sense of urgency, I think we're way ahead of the game. Think how many people you know that for no reason seem to find any happiness or joy in what they do. I don't get it. And if there's no stress or urgency, don't worry about the dopamine, because you're not going to get a chance to feel good because you're not going to accomplish anything. We need to understand how our brain works, okay? We need to work on the things that'll make us better, make us more successful, and make us feel happy, because if you're not happy, the rest of it doesn't make a difference. Study your brain, put into effect what you've learned, and watch how successful you can be just by understanding your own body and how everything works. I'm Larry Feldman. Thanks for listening to my Larry Talk.